Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Then the Who's, young and old, would sit down for a feast. And they'd feast, and they'd feast, and they'd feast, 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 feast. Oh, off-screen narrator.
Yes?
I'm hungry. Feed me.
Excuse me?
Snack time. Me hungry.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Grinch Pretzel Bites. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pretzel snaps, green candy wafers, and red candy wafers. Okay guys, to make the Grinch's heart, what we're going to do, we're going to take some candy wafers, the red ones. We're going to put them in the bowl. We're going to microwave them at 30-second intervals. I'm also going to use a piping bag, and I'm using a number 3 tip to form the hearts, and you're also going to need a spatula. Okay guys, the candy wafer melts are now melted, and all I'm going to do next is fill my piping bag and get a piece of parchment paper, and then I'm going to form the hearts. Okay guys, I put the tip onto my piping bag, and I have my piping bag over a glass. It makes it easier to fill, and all I'm going to do is scoop in the candy melts. Okay guys, once you're done making your hearts on your parchment paper, all you want to do is let the candy melts cool down and harden up, so you can stick them in your refrigerator for a couple minutes. Okay guys, I have a baking tray lined with parchment paper. You want to heat your oven to 200 degrees, and all I'm going to do is line the pretzels onto the parchment paper. Okay, once you have all your pretzels lined up, all you want to do is take your green candy wafers and place them on top. Okay guys, once you're done placing your green wafers on top, all you want to do is place this into the oven for 1 to 2 minutes. Once you've taken them out the oven, we're going to get the hearts that we made earlier, and all you're going to do is place them on top. Guys, when putting on the hearts on top, you want to work a little fast because the melts are warm, so they will start to melt a little bit. Once you get them on top, all you want to do is sit them in your refrigerator for a couple minutes so they can harden up. And another choice, you can use candy hearts if you would like. I couldn't find any, so I had to make my hearts. Okay guys, here you have it. A nice treat for Christmas. Grinch Pretzel Bites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back and like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Thank you guys so much for watching.